I think about you. I think about giving myself to you. 'Cause you know I want you, babe. And I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
What's up, y'all? It's Cori. Today I'm back with a new video. We are going to be doing a purple inspired look today, hence the purple background. But we also are going to be dipping into the Jackie Aina palette. We're going to be using the shade Big Wig as the star of the show today. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, definitely keep watching. Y'all, am I giving y'all Barney vibes or what? If you haven't noticed, my backdrop always go with what themed makeup I'm gonna be doing. So today we're gonna be doing a purple makeup look, hopefully a smoky purple makeup look. I don't know how this look is gonna turn out, but we're gonna try it. If you wanna see how this look comes out, definitely keep watching. We're gonna start out with the True Cream by Belief. This is a skincare brand. Next we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay B6 Prepping in, what's this? Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Priming Spray. Next we're gonna go in with a primer. We're gonna use the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. This is one of my favorite moisturizing primers. Also, to go in and prime, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've been trying to really give this primer a try and really just tell y'all how I feel about it. So today for foundation, we're going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation. This foundation supposedly comes in 30 shades. I only saw about 25 on Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. But I did pick up the shade Hazelnut 510. I heard a lot of people say that they did enjoy this foundation, so I'm glad to see what it feels like on the skin. Alright, so it's runny. So I did 3 pumps of the foundation. It is very lightweight. I can feel that. Ooh. I think hazelnut looks good. It has a very strong perfumey scent. So yeah, that's the foundation. It smells good to me, but some people that maybe don't like perfumes, yeah, this probably won't be for you because it's kind of strong. Okay, so I want a little bit more coverage with this foundation. It does feel very lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face, and it also doesn't look bad either. It doesn't look too light. It does look a little dark for me, but we can lighten that up with concealer. Next, we're gonna go into concealers. Now, this is the part that I'm excited for. Today, we're gonna use the Milani Conceal+perfect concealers. I'm gonna take the shade 150, and this is gonna be the shade that I'm gonna use to highlight my face. Okay, bomb. First off, y'all, did y'all see? See, this is why I love makeup. Oh, makeup just turn you into a new bitch. I would go out just like this if I had no other option. I just want it to be a little bit brighter, so I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm just gonna do one little dot of this just for a little bit of added brightness when it comes to my concealer. Okay, face so far concealed. Next, we're gonna go in and cream contour. We are going to use our Milani Conceal+perfect concealer once again. This one is in the shade 170. The first one was in the shade 150, and we're gonna use this to just add some warmth to our face. To blend that out, I'm gonna take this NYX number 3 brush, and I'm just gonna go in and blend out that concealer. So next we're gonna go in and set our concealer. We're gonna be using the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. I love this powder. I actually fell in love with this powder because of Patrick Starr. Next I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Microsmooth in the shade Tan. I'm gonna take this on my Morphe E58 brush and just start buffing this into my face just to set my base. Next, to bronze up our face, I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one's in the shade Deep Bronzer. I'm gonna use my Morphe M530 brush, and I'm just gonna go in and bronze. So for brows today, we're gonna use the Maybelline Brow Tattoo. I picked this up in the shade, deep brown. This is what, 380 deep brown. I don't know how many other shades this comes in, but I saw I Love Sarai here on YouTube raving about this on her channel on a video that she had done. So I was like, ooh, let me give this a try. Alright guys, so this is the eye right here. We are going to replicate this eye onto this eye, hopefully. First, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M433 and I'm going to take the shade Big Wig. So after Big Wig is kind of set down, next I'm going to go in with the shade Dusty Rose out of the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And that's going to be my kind of transition color when it comes to this purple. Next, in my waterline, I'm gonna take this LA Girl Glide gel liner. This one's in the shade, what is this? Paradise Purple. Then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M432 brush, and this is what I'm gonna use to smudge out Big Wig on that lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. Alright, so if you guys can see, so as you guys can see on this eye, I kind of bring in the purple a lot. So I'm gonna go in with Big Wig once again and just start stamping that in, just to make that same effect going on this eye. Take your time and blend. It took me 20 minutes to do this eye. 20 minutes, keep that in mind. So next we're gonna go in with these two liquid Stila glows. This is in the shade Sea Siren and Into the Blue. That's just a mixture of both of them on this eyelid, so that's what we're gonna do over here. These are like drying out, so I had to work with what I had to get this, so bear with me. Next, we're going to take the NYX Vivid Bright liquid liners. This one's in the shade what, Vivid Blossom, and it's just like this lilac-y purple, and it's this real small eyeliner brush, and I'm going to take that and line out where I actually cut my crease like you guys see on this eye. Just going to do the same. Then we're going to use our Morphe M421, and I'm going to go into the shade Soleil in the Jackie Aina palette, and just put that in my tear duct as like a base for the shade that we're actually going to use. And then over the top of that, I'm gonna go into the shade Trust Issues, and I'm gonna put that right on the top. Okay y'all, so after a million years, this is what the eyes are looking like. They look so pretty and so dramatic. I'm just glad to see my eyeshadow work evolving, because this looks really good. It looks really cute. We're gonna go into blush, but the blush that I have, I feel like it's not gonna go with the look. It's the Milani Coral Cove blush. We're gonna try this today and just see what it looks like. That actually looks pretty. I like it. That actually looks really cute. Cool. So after we have added our blush and all of our powders and everything is on top of our face, we're gonna use our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So for highlight, we're gonna use the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. We're gonna take Chestnut by MAC, which y'all know is a staple for all women. Yeah, I don't know how I just lined my lips, but whatever. And then we're gonna take the Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal again, because I like this shade. For setting spray, we're gonna use the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray. Alright, so I am gonna go in with a little bit of the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. Alright y'all, and this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy this purple look, with the start of the show being Jackie Aina's shade Big Wig in her palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love that palette, so I'm going to utilize it as much as I can. I hope y'all did enjoy the video as always. If you did, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button. I would love to see you come back to watch another video, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye y'all.